Working with chemicals always comes with the risk of spills. Even small spills can be dangerous if not handled properly. At OSHA Education School, our Cleaning Up Small Chemical Spills course teaches you how to respond quickly and safely to small-scale chemical incidents. What you'll learn: identifying hazardous chemicals and their properties, using personal protective equipment or PPE spill kits and cleanup procedures, neutralizing acids and bases, proper disposal of contaminated materials. You'll learn how to identify the chemicals involved, how to protect yourself with proper PPE, and the best techniques for containing and cleaning up spills using the correct absorbents and neutralizers. Our course also covers the safe disposal of contaminated materials and how to prevent further hazards from the spill. With the right training, you'll be prepared to handle small chemical spills safely, protect yourself and others, and maintain a hazard-free workplace. Plus, once you complete the course, you'll receive a certificate demonstrating your expertise. This course is essential for anyone working in environments where chemicals are present, ensuring quick and effective spill management. Don't wait for an emergency. Click the link in the description to enroll now. Complete the Cleaning Up Small Chemical Spills course and get certified today.